Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag on Citra in any game you want. So first, I'm going to show you how many FPS I got when I play Pokemon X. So right now, I'm going to play So you can see here at the at the in this corner, at the corner, you can see how FPS that I'm getting, and I'm going right through the game. So right now I think this is where Shona will want to battle me. Then here you can see I get 113 and going down to 95. So let's that's super effective. So you can already see how many how many FPS I got. So we're going to start the tutorial now. So first you have to download MSI Afterburner. This will only work if you have a dedicated graphics card, or you have a GPU for your computer. So all you have to do is increase core clock and memory clock. For it to be safe, you have to don't go, just add a little bit. Sorry for my English, I'm not really I'm not that fluent in English. So I have profiles in here, but I already know what I'm going to you can see here I have GTX 750 Ti. So this would be different for you. So if you are done here, just put check in here and you can just minimize it and go to Citra and go to emulation and configure. So if you want to get more than 60 FPS, you have to set percent in here. I go for 200, so it would go 120 FPS. So if I go 150, it will go no it's go 90, and go into the graphics and go to the find internal resolution and set it to the lowest here, and that should do it. And you can copy in here. So again, we're going to launch Citra. So this would be always 60 because it's the opening. And let's see if my FPS change. Now I'm just at this again FPS. I'm stuck at this FPS, and because my FPS is not changing because I'm recording and I'm using my GPU to record this. But for you, I think it would change or would go a little bit higher. So if the other method won't work, so just go to the task manager and go to details and find Citra, right click on it and set priority to high. In my previous video I said real time, but I mistaken it, so you just have to go to high and change priority. So we're here at the battle again, just getting 100 FPS. For me, it didn't change that much, but for you it would change that much or a little. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot, and click that bell so you will be notified when I upload the video. So goodbye guys.